Now we study the Henry law. Henry's law that is derived actually from the solubility term. It gives the idea about the solubility of gas in liquid. Henry was the first who gave the quantitative relation between the pressure and solubility of a gas in liquid. Pressure and solubility. Pressure and solubility. It gives the relation between the pressure and solubility. According to Henry, the solubility of a gas at constant temperature in the liquid is directly proportional to the partial pressure of gas present above the surface of the liquid or the solution. It is very clear that if we will take beaker and this is the solution and the gas that is the solute, this is the solute, this is the solute, then then the partial pressure of this gas on the above the surface of this liquid is directly proportional to the solubility. What is the solubility? Solubility, it can take in any term, any concentration term, but at that time Dalton also explained separately, and he told us that according to Dalton, contemporary of Henry, the mole fraction of gas in the solution is directly proportional to the partial pressure of gas over the solution. Just same. But here the solubility is taken in the terms of mole fraction. It is directly proportional to the partial pressure according to Dalton. Hence, most commonly used. Hence, nowadays, most commonly used form of Henry law is said states that the partial pressure of gas in vapor phase is directly proportional to the mole fraction of gas, that is chi, in the solution. How can we write this in the as mathematically form? Mathematically it is expressed as the P, that is the partial pressure of gas is directly proportional to the mole fraction chi. When we convert this proportionality sign into the equal to, then we put a constant, that is the kh. Now what is kh? Actually the Henry law constant. Kh is the Henry law constant, and P is the partial pressure of the gas here acts as the solute, and chi is the mole fraction of gas in the solution. Different gases, the value of chi, the different gases have different kh values at the same temperature they have the different kh values, different gases. Thus this suggests that the kh is the function of the nature of gas. It means the value of kh is depends on the nature of the gas. And when we go through the unit of pressure, unit of a kh, what is the unit of kh? The unit of kh is the unit of pressure, because it is directly proportional from the formula, and here chi has no unit, hence the pH, the unit of kh is directly to the unit of pressures. So thanks. We will continue the questions based on the Henry's law in the next video. Thank you.